It was a great feeling. I always dreamed about playing to Indian cricket, and it was so fantastic moment. And to be received from Virat Bhai, he's my idol since when I started the cricket. So getting cap from him also, it was a happy moment for me, and wanted to continue in this way.
How it useful for you? You came with the India A team and played your few matches. So how it useful for you to acclimatize the condition, and especially when a player is debuting in a Perth's wicket? So there is some inner of the mind. There is some problems there. So how you tackle up the entire system?
Yeah, to be honest, India A series helped me a lot because it was my first time to Australia, and playing in these wickets compared to India, it's a lot of differences there, the bounce and everything. And that India A series helped me a lot to perform here.
Yeah. Can you talk us about that conversation, when India got all out in around 150, and after that, when Bumrah started picking up wickets and Siraj started picking up wickets, can you just talk us through that conversation, that what happened after 150 and then 3-4 wickets fell down and suddenly the conversation, the morale of the team completely went up?
It was nothing. We were just trying to hit that areas, discipline. We were discussing about discipline bowling. So that's what I guess Bumrah and Siraj, Harshit, they have done. And obviously wicket is helping a lot. So we don't need to do much to get the wickets. So we kept it discipline, and eventually wickets came in our way. So.
Nitish, how difficult was that surface compared to the MCG one, and what did you do from a game plan perspective to produce the score you did?
To be honest, I felt MCG and here same, but off the wicket it was more in this wicket. I felt like that, but apart from that, the bounce and everything, I felt same.
And what did you do? What did you do within your game to play as well as you did?
I just went through my plans. There are my plans, so I just went through my plans and it worked. That's it.
Yes. Scottish, what was it like batting with Rishabh there? It was a tight situation. You had a good partnership going. How was it like batting with him?
It was good. Rishabh is aggressive batsman, and he knows his gameplay well, and he was guiding me at that time as well. So it was good playing with Rishabh.
Could you tell us a little detail about, because you attacked Nathan Lyon, big off spinner, but covers के ऊपर, you hit him over the covers, you reverse swept him thrice. So that phase, your decision to counter attack, and what was the discussion between you and Pant about you going after like that?
Yeah, so I felt like for fast bowlers it was pretty good wicket for fast bowlers, and it's hard to make runs. So I felt when Nathan Lyon bowling, I saw 2-3 balls, there is no drift, so I felt like we can just take on Nathan Lyon, like if we got little quick runs, so that will help our scoreboard to get increase. So that's what the reason I took on Nathan Lyon.
We all love seeing wickets. We all love seeing runs. So is 17 wickets in a day, do you think that's good for Test cricket?
Sorry?
17 wickets in a day, is that good for Test cricket, do you think?
I mean, it's a Test cricket, everything, your ability test here. So it's like Test. So.
नीतीश, कल आप और हर्षित दोनों जो हैं शाम में एक साथ डिनर कर रहे थे क्वाइटली. आप लोग को पहले पता था, बड़े काम दिख रहे थे इंडियन ड्रेसिंग रूम में, बाहर में इतनी चर्चा चल रही थी. उस कामनेस ने कितना हेल्प किया, और आपको कब कहा गया कि आप टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, और ये एक तरह से ड्रीम परफॉर्मेंस रहा आपके लिए?
Yeah, we got to know just before one day, and we were a little excited as well, and obviously nervousness is also there. We were having dinner, and we were just keeping ourselves the way we were in last week. So we wanted to continue in that way. We don't want to take too much pressure. So we had a cycle ride as well last evening, and it was good. So yeah, that's what happened.
Dream innings रहा अभी, भले ही बड़ा स्कोर नहीं रहा, लेकिन in the context of the match, this is as good.
It was a good start. It's not a dream inning, but it was a good start. Yeah.
नीतीश, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आपका डेब्यू हुआ. जब आप बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे, टीम इंडिया बहुत प्रेशर में थी, और जैसा कि अभी पूछा भी आपसे, नेथन लायन को आपने रिवर्स भी मारा. क्या उस समय प्लानिंग चल रही थी, और विकेट क्या बहुत डिफिकल्ट है बल्लेबाजी के लिए, और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्या एडवांटेज टीम इंडिया है?
So at that time, obviously I said that to take on spinner, I felt like it's a good option, and to get that runs in scoreboard. So obviously fast bowlers are bowling pretty good at that time, and we were just in our bowling, we were just keeping that areas, tried to hit that areas, let the ball do. So that's what helped. That's what the plan actually going through, and that's what helped. us.
एडवांटेज है इंडिया का डे खत्म होने के बाद?
Yeah, obviously, we have advantage now, and hopefully we play a second inning, better batting, and let's put them on pressure with big score.
थैंक यू.
Can you tell us a bit about Bumrah as a captain, as a leader?
He's very good. Like, it's my first test game playing under Bumrah. It's pretty hard to mention about his captaincy, but as of now, he's being very good. Like the change of overs and everything, change of spells, I saw he's very good.
नीतीश यहाँ पर आए थे तो पर्थ के बारे में बड़ी चर्चा होती है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया कभी हारा नहीं है, बहुत फास्ट बॉलिंग. तो यंगस्टर एज ए यंगस्टर आप लोग का क्या माइंडसेट है? इतना पर्थ के बारे में सुना था, आप लोग ने किस तरह की तैयारी की?
Even I heard a lot about Perth and all. Like I still remember last practice when we were having. After the practice, I had a chat with Gautam sir. So he was mentioning when you get any bouncers or something like that, sharp spells. So you just take onto your shoulders or something like that. Just feel like you are taking a bullet for your country. So that really helped me a lot. Like that just boosted me up. So I was feeling that somehow we will have that on back of the mind, right? So that Perth wicket, everyone were talking like there is a good bounce in this wicket, everything. When he said that thing, and I felt like, yeah, you need to take bullets for your country. That's the best thing I have heard from Gautam sir.